everyone, Amber here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I created this layered mini album using some chipboard. So to start, I am taking my 3 pieces of chipboard and I am going to adhere those to my wrapping paper, and I am using double-sided tape to do this. All of the measurements for this project can be found down below in the description box. I am laying my pieces like so. This is going to create an album in which the front cover is smaller in width than the back cover, and that is going to give the whole project that layered look. So I am just continuing with the wrapping process here. I am cutting the corners, adding my adhesive, and then I'm going to start adhering all of those side panels down. And when I get to the shorter sides, I'm going to use my scoring tool to tuck in any excess paper so that my corners have a nice clean look. Then I'm going to add the inner lining. I did take the whole base off camera to add some machine stitching like I showed you there. And now I'm just going to glue the inner lining into place. I am using my double-sided tape to do this, and I'm using my scoring tool to really work that adhesive in. Then I am going to fold up on my sides to find my fold lines, score those, and we are ready to move on to adding the closure, which will be ribbon. So I got this ribbon off of Amazon. It's a little bit stiff, but it works well enough. I just used double-sided tape and adhered a strip of my ribbon to the inside of my book, and then to cover it, just to give it a nicer, cleaner appearance, I am taking a strip of paper that measures 2 inches by 8.5 inches, and I'm just adhering that right on top of the ribbon to hide it, and then refolding up on those score lines, and then it's time to add our holes. So I have this little template I created a while ago, and I use it for all of these projects. You are going to be using 1.5 inch binder rings, so I am punching my holes at about that same width so that they will fit nicely in there. Once I add my eyelets, it is a bit of a tight squeeze, so it's up to you if you want to add eyelets or not. I like the look of them, but I did have to kind of work to get the binder rings to fit nicely into there. I'm using my Crop-A-Dile to set my eyelets, and then you can see here that I had to struggle a little bit to get the binder rings in, but once they're in, you can add the pages easily and it all works out fine. So here are my pages. I have a lot of different pages, some open, some fold, some are just plain pieces of paper. I will leave all the measurements for each individual type of page I use down below, and I am just using the actual base as a template for where I'm going to punch my holes, and then I marked with a pencil on the top page, and then I was really adamant on punching all of these at the same time so everything was even. So I had to work with my Crop-A-Dile and then my power punch to get it just right, but it worked. And now that all the holes are punched, I'm just adding these in the order that I want to the album. And once that is done, the base of the album is complete. So this is a really easy project. Like I said, all the measurements for everything will be listed down below in the description box. All you have to do now is just tie it closed, and you are ready to embellish and add photos and memories. So you can see this ribbon was a little bit stiff and hard to work with, but it does the job, so I can't complain too much. So now here is a quick flip through of the finished album. So this is ready for photos and journaling and all that good stuff. I decorated the cover up. I used the Good Vibes collection from Crate Paper. I really love all the pops of yellow in this collection. I think it's so pretty. I added a bunch of charms and little dangly bits to the side. And now here is just a flip through of how I decorated each page. You can see that I left spots open for some small photos and journaling. And that is this album. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions at all, leave them down below in the comment section and I will do my best to help. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care and happy crafting. Bye.